Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Range Rover Sport. So any screen you see over here, the circle with the arrow in it, click on that, or you can, that brings it straight up, or you can click on the home button and then onto the sat-nav. Destination entry in the corner, top corner. We want postcode, easiest to do. Input postcode here. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR 5 4 EA. That's it, PR 5 4 EA. Delete or OK. We want OK. And that's it, and then click go.
Please follow the highlighted route.
That's it. That's how you do it. Dead simple system. It's in night mode at the moment, which will come on if you've got your headlamps on, or alternatively you've got, let's see, you've got nav menu here. Click nav menu, previous destinations, cancel guidance. So we'll click more, nav setup, and then here we've got day or night. That's day, or we've got auto. We'll click auto, and then return to map. So that's how you change from day or night mode, or put it in auto. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.